today I'm gonna be doing this purple orange kind of glam look that is suitable for a night out or honestly anytime you want. No one can tell you what you can wear or not. But yeah, if you want to see how I do this look, you can keep on watching. So I already start out with my primer and my foundation because you don't have to see that step anymore. You probably already know. So I'm gonna skip straight ahead to my eyebrows. Now because this is kind of a dramatic look that I'm going for, I'm going to do a really arched eyebrows than I normally do. I'm gonna use my eyebrow pencil. Okay, I'm probably gonna go makeup shopping tomorrow. Again, I'm gonna list down all the products that I use in this video down in the description below if you want to check it out. I'm gonna be using a brown pencil for my eyebrows. And then use a spoolie to blend it out so it's not too harsh. If you want to make it dark around here, but then it fades out around here. And then it's okay if it's not exactly the same with each other, because eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters. I learned that from Michelle Phan. I miss Michelle Phan on YouTube. She was the first makeup YouTuber that actually influenced me to do my makeup. Thank you, Michelle Phan, wherever you are. And of course, we're gonna use concealer to clean up the eyebrows. And again, I'm gonna use my small flat brush to clean it up with my concealer. And then I'm done with my eyebrows, looking sharp as ever. And then I can cut anyone who's trying to come for me. Now next we're going to our eyeshadow, my favorite part. I'm using my Beauty Glaze Popping Palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. So pretty. First of all, I'm gonna lightly go to my crease with this color. Gently. Oh wow. I wanted to go gentle, but it was so pigmented. Okay. That is a lot more pigmented than I thought it would be. But that's good. I'm gonna build it up slowly. I'm gonna wing it out. Make sure the wing stops at the end of the eyebrows. I'm gonna use this shade to diffuse the harsh lines, because it's all about blending. I do not want any harsh lines on my eyeshadow. Okay, that looks good. And I want to go for like plum purple kind of look, so I'm gonna use this shade to pack it on the outer corner of my eye. Oh, my hair. Sorry. Oh, it's so hot in here. Okay, so I'm gonna pack it on the outer corner of my eye. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, wow, that is so pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna keep packing it on and then bring a little to my crease. That looks good. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. I kind of want to add a little more definition on my eyes. So I'm going to use a little bit, tiny little bit of black. And then I'm going to pack it on my outer corner of my eyes again. And wing it out. Just blend it out, blend it out, blend it out. I want it to go really dark. I don't want the black to overpower this eyeshadow. I just want the purple plum color to look a little darker. And then I'm going to pack it on over the black with the purple plum again. Okay. Woo! Can't believe I did it. It's not done yet. I'm going to use this orange shimmer on the inner corner of my eye. I'm just going to use my finger because no brush would ever have the same effect as you using your finger for shimmer. It's crazy. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. Yes! That looks so good. Wow. Oh my gosh. Excuse me? I'm excited. Okay. And then I'm gonna use this dark red shimmer to blend between these two eyeshadow. You know what? I'm gonna darken my crease even more using the same purple plum color with a small brush. Okay, and then use this color again to blend out the crease. Then we're gonna do the eyeliner using an eyeliner pen and wing it out. So what I'm doing with my eyeliner is that I'm making it thicker on the wing area, and as it goes into my inner corner, it gets thinner. Now we're done with one eye, and I'm gonna get back to you after I do the other eye off camera. Now we're done with both eyes. Thank goodness for cutouts, because I took way too long to do the other eye. But we're not totally done with the eyes yet, because we're using eyelashes. You can use any mink lashes that is shorter on the inner corner of your eyes, and then it gets longer as it goes here. So it gives that kind of like whoosh effect, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna measure the length on my eye first. Not bad actually. Oop. Wait. Where's my eyelash glue? It was just here. Just to remind though, if you measure your eyelashes and it's too long, and if you want to cut it in the inner corner. Don't cut it at the longer side, so it doesn't lose the short to long effect on the eyelash. So I'm gluing the lashes. I love using white eyelash glue because as it dries out, it becomes transparent. And that's when I know that it's ready for me to put it on. I used to be bad at putting eyelashes because I didn't know that I have to wait a little bit before I put it on. Because you need to wait for the glue gets tacky so it sticks on your eyes properly. Wait, I forgot! Before putting on... Is it raining? Oh, come on. I'm sorry if you hear that. Just ignore it. Before I put on the false lashes, I'm gonna curl my real lashes first. And then put mascara on. So the real blend with the falsies. Just need to wait a little bit more because the glue is still white. Okay, I think we're ready. Please say a prayer with me. Use an eyelash tweezer or any tweezer really. So it gives you more control on sticking it as close as you can to your lash line. Oh, it makes such a difference. Whew. I really am a catfish. Oh my gosh. The lashes looks longer than I actually thought it would. But it's okay because we're going dramatic today. So I'm just gonna put concealer at the bottom of my eye. Dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab. I'm gonna also put at the bridge of my nose and on the middle of my forehead. And then let's go ahead and put the same plum purple eyeshadow at the bottom of our lashes. I hate that I always make that face. And then blend it out with the shade. And use the same orange shimmer on the inner corner too. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now we're really done with the eyes. Ooh. Every time I do my makeup, I couldn't stop looking at myself in the mirror. I'm really happy. You know what? Makeup is really therapeutic. I don't know why some guys are so mad at girls using makeup because it makes us so happy. Like, I'm really happy right now. Every problems in the world that I have is just gone right now, looking at myself like this. Ooh, just gonna set my foundation and my concealer with my pressed powder. Again, always dab, dab, dab. Don't swipe it off or it'll move away your foundation. I'm sweating because it's really hot here. Contouring. In the last video, I'm doing a really natural look. This time, I'm going all out. I'm gonna change my whole face. You don't even know if this is Susan anymore. Of course, I'm gonna make my nose as skinny as Mariah. That's right, I said it. Skinny legend. Of course, the blush too. I'm gonna use this peachy blush. Peachy colored blush. We're almost done. We're almost done. Okay. Then next I'm gonna do, of course, the highlighter. I really like the champagne colored highlighter over here, so I'm gonna use that. I honestly don't know how to blend highlighter. Yeah, I think that works. Tip of my nose. Do I want to do the inner corner? Should I? A little bit, yeah, probably a little bit. Okay. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, I'm going crazy. This is why girls take so long to get ready. They're just enjoying themselves on the mirror. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Paris Color Richie Matte shade 269. I'm just gonna place everything down on the description. It also looks like kind of a plum purple look. So yeah. color. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Eee. And then one last step, of course, setting spray. And fixing my hair. So yeah, we're done with the final look. This is the look that is suitable to go for a night out with friends. Well, now I'm ready to go out with my friends partying tonight. Yes! I'm kidding. We're in the middle of a pandemic and I have no friends. I'm honestly just gonna be sitting in my room taking selfies and then sending my selfies to my boyfriend Chris. He loves my selfies. So if you like this look that I did, please give it a thumbs up on this video and leave a suggestion in the comments below on what looks I should do next. And another thing is, people say that they don't see my videos on their subscription sometimes. I don't know what's going on with YouTube algorithm, but if you don't want to miss out on my videos, click on the bell notification below so every time I post something, it'll go straight to your notification. If you want, I'm not gonna force you if you don't want to. And I'll see you in the next video again. Bye!